Whew. Well guys, it's been a really long time since I've made a video here, but welcome back. This is how we're starting today off after I missed couple small guys on the spook. Switched it up. A big old guy came out and just crushed it. Absolutely crushed the popper here. I don't know if you can tell, but I've redone my boat as well, which is a lot of fun. It's a hard project, but it's worth it. Take a look at that, guys. That is a good fish to start the day off with. Get a quick picture. Hopefully there are plenty more where he came from. All right, let's put him back. There she goes. Telling you guys, I completely redid the whole interior of my boat. There's all new flooring. I actually took the live well, which used to be right here. It's now right here. Built in my own ride locker here. Shortened this front compartment so the ride locker goes all the way up. Put on a new trolling motor. Couldn't be happier. There you go, guys. Fish number 2. I didn't even feel him hit it. Just kind of sucked it under there. Alright, hold still. Nobody's trying to get a hook in the hand here. Oh, yeah. Definitely a lot smaller than the last guy, but yeah, not a bad fish still. Whew. I don't know if you guys saw that, but he hit like 2 feet in front of the boat. That was pretty cool, and he absolutely wanted that. Look at that. That is down there in the gullet. That's how you know you're throwing the right lure. If you got fish eating it like that. Get some pliers for this guy. Fish number 3. Ooh, this feels like a good fish. Oh, it's a good fish. Kind of. Huh. I'm not quite sure how I did that with a popper, but got him. Got hooked here. I was throwing the crankbait around because I went through a little flat area. Then got grassy again. Figured there's not a lot of grass in here. Perfect place for fish to hide. Sure enough, first cast back with the popper. There we go. Woo! Alright, this time. Good, I'm recording this time. The last time I caught a fish on the square bill, I was actually over there between that rock and the island. I wasn't recording. Just got done throwing the popper. Yeah, I keep switching up because the conditions on this lake keep changing. It's kind of between the island and that rock, it's pretty flat, and then it gets grassy, and then now we're back down to 11 feet with just sand on the bottom. So crankbaits are good to throw in those kind of conditions. But there we go. First cast with the crankbait.